Okay, so I just had to turn this key about 80,000 times just to get the ruin open. So you can see this lock has seen better days. Alright, so this is the ruin. You're walking in. This thing is going to be, the door is actually going to be made into a window. We have this big sink here. I don't quite know whether we want to save it or not. It's kind of cool in an old sort of ancient way. And then Salvatore's going to put some nice thing up here. There's my note to Salvatore saying, I can't get the table out through the door. Can you please take it out and translocate it to the other part of the house? And he did, so that was good. Here's the bathroom. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. So it'll have a shower, good sized shower, you know, toilet, bidet, that kind of thing. Very functional. It's going to be really pretty too. And so that's that. This room is huge. This is going to be the like the lounge slash bedroom. We're going to have that doorway wider, and there's going to be double doors there, so that you can close it off and you can make it into a bedroom if you want to. But it'll probably have like a large couch that can be converted into a bed or something like that, because we want to be able to use it. So here is the other side of the living room wall. You can see there was an opening at one time. We want it to be an arch right there, so it's going to be a beautiful arch. This is really weird. There's this section down here that's like 2 or 3 feet high. Storage all down below. Obviously that needs to be covered, so he's going to make us a old-fashioned looking, what do you call it, trapdoor, which would be awesome. And here is going to be the kitchen along this wall. That wall there is going to be, he's going to take off all the intonaco, and it's going to be all natural, the natural stone. I mean, they basically made these walls out of stones and, you know, building supplies. Sometimes roof tiles are in there. God knows what, heads apparently. Yeah, maybe there's more heads in there. We'll see. If that's the case, I'm going to have them take it out because I don't want something staring at me every time I'm trying to cook. Anyway, this is going to be the second balcony, much like the first balcony that we saw. I'm afraid to open that window. I think the whole thing's going to just come down. So, yeah, so everything's all done structurally, as you can see. So, you know, when we bought this thing, we didn't have a lot to do, mostly just finishing stuff, nothing structural, which can get into the pricey range. But yeah, so it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful place. I gave it to Salvatore, and he's going to get started. So, yeah, it's going to be gorgeous. So stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of updates on this. Okay.